Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika, the channel where we make amazing jewelries, eco-friendly craft ideas, a lot more. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful air dry clay earring. Let's dive in. Before going park, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video in the future, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever I'm gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, if you are getting started with the jewelries and making new jewelries, then you can highly recommend our top 100 jewelry clay pattern ideas. It's not just for the clay jewelries as well. If you're making any type of jewelry DIYing and you want the ideas and patterns, then make sure you grab it our PDF. It contains a top 100 of unique jewelries ideas that you can very well use as a pattern, or you can take a printout of it and you can use the way you want to. The link is in description box below. It's a PDF download. Without further ado, let's get started with today's tutorial. First of all, what are the materials required? You're gonna be needing this paper and air dry clay mixture. I have already shown in my video before on how to make a paper and air dry clay mixture. I'm gonna leave that video in the card section above. So you would be needing paper and air dry clay mixture, then some tools to work upon. You're gonna need some shape cutters. I'm using these ones. You can use cookie cutters. You're gonna need a wire for making the wire elements, pliers, and this extra container for anything, water. And you're gonna also need colors. So these are some materials required. So let's get straight with tutorial. definition with the tutorial. So I'm going to take these ornaments and I'm going to attach to them and finish up with the tutorials. Okay, so I'm going to take this one and then I'm going to insert it inside of here. Okay. So you can see I have attached one. Similarly, I'm going to attach the another one as well. So I'm going to take this one and just add and then this one I'm going to go over here like this. Result of beautiful clay earrings. Hopefully you find this tutorial useful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you want more such video? Consider subscribing. I'll gonna see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.